Good day, YouTubers. This video is dedicated to the super friendly wildlife. I'm going to miss the wildlife out here in Cape Cod. This video features a really friendly snake, lazy snake, but super friendly, surprisingly, and a wise old bird who probably learned how to get food from humans by being this friendly. Anyways, let's roll the video. Damn, I just spotted a snake. Cutest thing. You're gonna get run over in the bike path. Looking at those wheels, are you? Hold on. Yeah, you want to go that way. The ocean's that way, and there's a bunch of food that way. God damn, you're just like the sun has made you super chill. Look at this. He's not even. Wow. Oh, that's cool. They're usually not like this. Huh. Usually when you pick up a snake, they're kind of bugging out. But this one's not. He kind of looks tired. Maybe he got hit by another rider. I don't know. All right, I'm going to put you back where you belong. Not in the bike path, sir. Oh, now he's just like relaxing on my hand. Damn. You are beautiful. Here. Let's actually put you in further. Maybe you'll like frickin' ignore the bike path. Not be tempted. There's a lot of bugs in here you can eat. Damn, he's like wrapped around me. All right.